Okay, guys, our tour will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
All right, so we just took our first Grab ride. What did you think?
It was really pleasant. I was surprised. The Grab is an app just like Uber, and we scheduled it ahead of time. They picked us up actually early, and the driver was very pleasant. He drove very well, and yeah, we're here.
It was so wild driving on the streets with all the scooters and stuff. Yeah, and there's even one coming up here. So we're going on this Hidden Bangkok tour, and they gave us an address for a restaurant over here. And this is like old time Bangkok. It's no condos, no
very
nothing.
Local.
Yeah. So as you can see, there's some
Temples.
some Buddhist temples around here. We're gonna go. Like there's an elf in there.
Yeah, we're gonna walk around before our tour starts.
Yeah.
But this hiddenbangkoktours.com. Check them out. They do a lot of local canal tours. Kind of gives you the behind the scenes of Bangkok, the local life, and some of the temples and stuff like that. So we're excited to take this tour.
Yeah. So right now we're gonna check out this temple. Oh, there's so much stuff just to see in this little area that's not even on the tour. But we'll bring it to you and get back with you in a little bit. Bye.
Bye. This is so cool. So they gave us a bracelet. In Thai, it's I guess a tradition to protect you from the evil, from bad stuff. I love it. It's pretty too.
Nod your head, nod your head. Yeah, nod your head and nod your head. Yeah, grab the handrail. I would like to introduce our driver, guys. Gare. Yeah, Thai name Gare. Yeah, his name. And English name Gary.
Gary.
Gary, he is a very talented driver. He can quality nice and drive.
I hope not today.
Yeah, not today, not today. This function not available for today. Maybe tomorrow we can try again. Yeah, we can prove tomorrow, not today. Yeah. And where are you from, guys?
Florida.
Oh, Florida. Yeah. Nice to meet you guys. I'm Fluke from Thailand.
Hi, Fluke. I'm Wanda.
Bye.
You have the best name.
Yep. Yeah. Lucky. For my name is like a common name in Thai. Yeah, common name in Thai. Like most of the people, Fluke. Yeah, lucky name. Yeah. And my Thai is like creativity. Maybe we'd like to name something like my friend name A. Yeah. Another one B. Another friend C. And another friend D. A, B, C, D. In the same class. Funny. Yeah. How many times have you been here in
This is
Thai?
my first time.
Good choice. Yep. And this guy's Chonburi. Yeah, Chonburi is the name of this side of the city. Yeah, name of the old town Chonburi. And behind you guys, new town, Krungthep. Yeah, Krungthep. As you know, Bangkok, for Thai we call Krungthep. Yeah, name of the town that side of the city. And the meaning of Krungthep is about town of the angels. Yeah, Los Angeles. Hi, you guys. And here we are, guys. Chonburi, old town. Yeah, that's far from the Los Angeles. And along the way, guys, if you see like new house, fancy house like this, rich people, they have car to use in the house, they have parking lot, they have car access. And over there, guys, wooden house, yeah, poor people. They have no car, they have no parking lot, they have no boat, they have motorbike. And have you tried motorbike taxi? Once in a lifetime, once in a lifetime.
Once.
That's right, in Thailand.
We will.
Entertaining in your life, for sure. Yeah. Guys, yeah, we see like a red tank or pink tank in the water like this. Yeah. We are building water cleaner, water cleaner to clean the water in the future. In Thai, we know when they start the project, but we don't know when it's gonna finish. Thai style, Thai style. We have the word that say sabai sabai. Yeah, sabai sabai means take it easy. Yeah, no rush. Yeah, sabai sabai. One day. Yeah, sabai sabai.
That's like us, our highways the same.
Sabai sabai, right? Yeah. Easy word. Yeah. Along the way, you will see like this. Yeah, the pavilions. Yeah. Yeah, it's like the area after work, after school, whole family. Then we go down here, bring some snack, some beer and kids, huh? Yeah, canal party here. Yeah, you know, sometimes, yeah, EDM canal party here. Time to the party. These guys, under the bench.
Oh, look at it.
I can say huge.
He loves them.
They are the monitor lizard. Yeah, monitor lizard. Yeah, huge. Very huge.
You see him?
Yeah, that's crazy.
He loves them.
Well, for them, they like the cleaner of the water because they can eat everything that's smaller than their mouth. Like a fish die around here, bird or rat or snake, they eat everything that's smaller than their mouth. Yeah. All the way, yeah. This side of the city, whole town is about 200 temples, yeah. And whole Bangkok is about 500 temples.
Oh,
and
wow.
whole country, over 35,000 temples. In
Wow.
Thailand, yeah. Thailand is the land of the temple. And have you been to 7-Eleven?
No, not yet.
Yeah, in Thai, 7-Eleven. Yeah, 7-Eleven in temple competition. When you go out, you will see the temple here, 7 here, 7 here, the temple here, 7 here, in everywhere.
tour and having a little pool time, and we're starving, so we got a little food. Here's his Italian burger. It's a pork burger with some potato wedges. And then I got fried gnocchi. That looks amazing. And we're also having some drinks. Oh, it's a perfect day. Yum.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
That's too much.
Kapung kap.
How about your food?
It's good. Great.
Delicious. Thank you. We made it to Patpong Market. Woo! Look at all the marches. You gotta get your pants.
What, babe?
Your elephant pants.
Yeah.
Chris wants some elephant pants before we leave. There's some up there. Look, they got ones with tuk-tuks on them and elephants. Ooh, sticky rice. Oh, look, meat on a stick. Woo! That looks delicious. You want to try one? Only 100 baht.
What should I have?
Get the crocodile.
Crocodile. Yeah.
Give it to her, she'll heat it up for you.
Some barbecue alligator.
Crocodile. Spicy sauce.
The cherry good. Tomato.
Bite it, bite it. That good?
Not bad. Spicy. I don't know if you can have it.
Of course I can.
No. Wanda, where are you going? You better get back over here. I saw you. Going by the gauntlet over here. House of the drag queen. It's like House of the Dragon. Yo, if we don't come back, I blame my wife. Okay. Back to the gauntlet. Okay.